What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on crypto.com coin. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we were forming this channel, and usually these channels break to the downside, and I was wrong, and I have to admit that this channel broke to the upside, and that's why it is irrelevant for now. And I have to say that even with my mistake, nobody can be 100% right. And I've told you that we have a lot of possibilities on the market. And even with my mistake on a smaller scale, we have exactly the same result that I predicted earlier on a bigger picture. And we have this movement to the downside. And I've told you literally that we have to hit at least 0.382 level and 0.5 and probably 0.618, 0.65. And for now we hit the second target. It is the price point of $0.43. And it is the Fibonacci retracement range. Let me show you more thoroughly. If I pull this range, this tool from the bottom to the top, because we complete all 5 waves, and you can watch my previous video where I made a detailed analysis of this movement. And 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale. That's why we have to retrace the entire movement from the bottom to the top, and we have these ranges. So what should we expect next? I will show you in my technical analysis. And for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. Right here we are hovering at $1.82 trillion of total market cap. It is a 7% decrease over the last day. I have to say it is quite sharp decrease, and all of the major cryptocurrencies definitely in red. And let's continue with the crypto.com coin numbers. For now it has $10.95 billion of total market cap. It is a 9.5% decrease over the last day, and the total tradable volume is $153.9 million. It is a 35.74% increase. And let me show you that this movement to the downside with increasing volume shows that potentially we might have next leg to the downside, and that's why we have to be cautious. And I've told you this in my previous video that we might have much lower price action, and we have it. So technically we are in line with my forecast, and I have to say that you can rely on my analysis as a part of your due diligence. So, and let's continue with the crypto.com news. On their official Twitter page, they have a lot of new tweets, but I want to pay your attention only on one of them. So, security first, on February 17th they posted this. Security first, crypto.com is now ICO 22301 of 2019 certified. One of the first cryptocurrency platforms to be certified, awarded by the British Standards Institution. And let me show you this news in detail. Crypto.com today, on February 17th, announced that it has been awarded the renowned ICO 22301 certification, the internationally recognized standard for business continuity management, and is one of the first cryptocurrency companies in the world to earn this coveted accreditation. Crypto.com continues to lead the industry with information security and privacy certifications, demonstrating our commitment to further strengthening our platform and service offerings on multiple fronts. The ICO 22301 certification was awarded by a globally recognized certification body, the British Standards Institution, which demonstrates to regulators, users, and all interested parties that Crypto.com employs best industrial practices in business continuity management. It also highlights the maturity of Crypto.com's business continuity and disaster preparedness. It also points to the assessment that the company has implemented effective business continuity plans and processes to minimize business interruptions and to maintain critical operations at an acceptable level to service to users in the event of disruptive incidents. And I have to say that this news is up to date, because you all know that about a month ago, on January 17th, they had a hackers attack that was quite successful, and definitely it was a negative sign for the security itself. But all in all, they have a lot of improvements during this month in order to improve their security level, and this is the next level of these efforts. So, and let me show you right here on finbolt.com. We have this article that is titled "Crypto.com continues to add almost 500 new holders daily despite recent hack." And let me quote you this. Following an extensive advertising effort that led to a significant increase in demand for the Crypto.com coin, the Singapore-based platform has grown into one of the top 10 largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world by trading volume. The number of new holders of CRO, the native token of Crypto.com, has continued to see a steady rise in the last month, even after the platform was recently hacked on January 17th. Nevertheless, a total of 482 new addresses carrying the digital asset CRO were added daily in the last month, from January 16th, when there were 200,466 unique addresses holding the digital asset CRO, to February 14th, when there were 214,950 holding Crypto.com coin. There has been gradual increase according to CoinMarketCap.com. And here is the chart. As you can see, steady growth of new holders, and definitely it is a very good sign from the fundamental standpoint for Crypto.com in general and for CRO token in particular. This means I have to say that this asset is not the crypto by itself. It is the crypto that is backed by the real business, real exchange. And you might compare it with the BNB coin that surged up several years ago when they started their business. And in my opinion, Crypto.com coin will continue its growth because of this. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? We hit the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level at the price point of roughly 43.23 cents. And I have to say that for now we have a more clear structure of this movement. And usually, as I already mentioned, the retracement after the motive wave should have a shape of simple zigzag. And in my opinion, we have, this is our A wave, this is our B wave, and we have to have 3 or 5 wave structure in our B wave, and we have it. We have to have strictly 3 waves structure in our B wave, and we have it. And we have to have strictly 5 wave structure in our C wave, and with this movement we don't have 5 wave structure. So, because of this, I think we can have a next leg to the downside, and we might land at the golden pocket at the ranges of roughly 40 cents price point, or even lower. And I don't know where we might land, but the golden pocket might be very technical pivot point if we will have the trend reversal right here. So, and how can we define what type of price action we will have next? In my opinion, this is only the first wave in our C wave, and this is definitely second. This entire wave is the third, and I don't think that we complete all of these waves inside the third wave. And this means we might see some lower price action. Then we have to have a retracement to complete our fourth wave, and next leg to the downside to complete fifth wave out of the C wave. So, and I think it is the probable roadmap, and we have to be prepared for the lower price points. And right here in the golden pocket, definitely we will see huge increase in bullish pressure, because it is the main range from the local bottom, the bottom of the C wave. And let me show you more thoroughly on a bigger picture that we have ABC correction on a greater scale, and in my opinion we complete all the waves at the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level from the very bottom to the very top. And this is the next golden pocket that might be a next pivot point in order to form higher lows from the swing low, and next leg will be to the upside to form higher highs. And as long as this pivot holds, we can project major targets, and to do so we have to pull Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of this range to the top of this range and to the bottom of the retracement to this point. And our major targets are following. It is 0.786 Fibonacci extension level at the price point of 97.15 cents. Next one 1-to-1 at $1.14, and next one 1.618 extension at $1.65 price point. And I have to say that these ranges are our main targets for the upcoming year. And in my opinion, first of all, we have to hold the golden pocket range right here. And next one, we have to exceed the top of our first wave at the price point of 54 cents. Next one will be this top of the P wave as our major resistance. And right after that, we will have the confluence with our top of the all-time high, and it is a confluence with our first target. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!